Hi, good evening, friends. So, for the last few days, I think COVID has come back in our lives again, and it's really disturbing. So, I am making this video for all those who've written messages to me asking about what can they do to help their loved ones get out of COVID infection safely and properly. So, friends, first very important thing is the moment you feel that you have some symptoms, either fatigue or malaise, body aches, fever, low grade or high grade, doesn't matter, any gut GI upset, motions more than 2 times a day, just think that it is COVID unless proven otherwise and go into isolation. Everybody who's coming in contact with a COVID positive person is getting infected much faster than before. So there's no point creating problem. Just go in isolation. Start with steam inhalation and neti. Neti and steam inhalation are two natural things which you can easily do and stay away from COVID, and if you have COVID you can recover faster. So first is isolation, second is this. The third is very important, which a lot of you want to know from me, is what are the supplements which you should take. So friends, there are a lot of supplements which you can take, but to list the bare minimum and the few are vitamin A. A lot of us are deficient in vitamin A currently, and vitamin A has been shown to have significant role in helping us get out of COVID properly. Omega 3, 1000 mg 3 times a day. Vitamin C, 3 to 6 grams a day. So you can buy effervescent vitamin C, you can buy Biodex C or any other vitamin C you want. 1000 mg, take 2 tablets 3 times a day. Keep yourself very well hydrated. Selenium 200 mcg is very important. It works on our immune system. And vitamin D, 10,000 IU daily if you are more than 15 years, and if you are less than that, maybe 5,000 IU daily. Vitamin D is extremely important. One more supplement which here you must add to your kit is tablet NAC, that is N-acetyl-16 600 milligram BD, and studies are showing that post COVID, if you take this NAC for 3 weeks, it helps you in faster recovery and fatigue and all gets taken care of properly. In addition, proper breathing exercises, balanced diet with good amount of vegetables, soups, and less processed foods and less sugary foods is very important during this time if you want to heal quickly, if you want to heal early. If you have any questions, feel free to write and I will be able to help you. If your fever persists for more than 3 days, please consult a doctor. You might need something else. Get yourself checked. Testing is available. You can book it online, and you must know whether you have COVID or not, so that you can be treated accordingly with antibiotics, supplements, and if required, other drugs too. All the best. Let's join hands together and stay safe in this second wave of COVID, which is spreading much faster than the first wave. Thank you, friends. Stay safe, stay healthy, and thanks for joining me in this movement of Katsi India, Happy India.